Hey you guys, welcome back to the Beef and Barnsley channel. Today we have a new ball review in the HP3 line from Roto Grip. It's the RockStar. Now, I've got two of these. I've got one that's in box finish that hasn't gone down the lane yet. This one is my first one that I drilled. It's kind of 5 3/8 inch pin, a 3-inch buffer. The dull one I have is drilled basically the same, except it's got like a 2-inch buffer. So something a little bit different. That's the one with the box finish on. I added some polish onto this one because I was using it in the tournament just gone over in Chicago. Right now, I am at Lakeside Recreational Center here in Mundelein. Thank you for Bill Spigner for helping me out get something put out. We've got the house shot behind us and it hooks quite a bit. So we'll throw this shiny one for a little bit, then I'll get the dull one out. We'll see what it does. It is a new cover stock, it is a new core. I'm excited to see what we're gonna see out of this. We're looking for kind of an idle replacement, I think. So we will see what it does. Low RG. Like I say, they hook quite a bit here. As a reference point, here is an Attention Star S2. This is brand new, also straight out the box. So at least that gives you a ballpark idea of what the lanes are doing. Plenty of hook. Decent amount of push in the middle of the lane. Probably for a typical house shot for me, it's forced me probably about 6 or 7 further left than I would normally be. But we'll continue throwing this shiny RockStar. But from what we've seen of it so far, it goes a little longer than I kind of expected it to, which I think could be a good thing because the idles and the phase 2s have felt like they were a little early and a little smooth. This feels like it goes a little longer than those two, but it's got a bit more pop in the back, which I think that most people will be happy to see. With that shine on it, seems to continue pretty well. Let's have a look at the dull one. This is the box finish. Like I say, slightly shorter pin buffer on this one. Everything else is pretty much the same. Whoa, that one stood up quite a bit earlier and then made its transition a little bit forward. I think some of that is the layout, but some of that is also that box finish. Sean Rash used a RockStar and Chris Vi also, kind of their transition on that 42-foot pattern. Like you can see with the dull surface, bowling in this center, it's probably a little slow. I do like having this option though, and I like that it's not quite as strong, in my opinion anyway. Strong being early, as the idles have been, whether that be original idle or optimum idle solid. Where it fits with the phase 2, I think is going to be kind of interesting. See what I mean by with that strong finish on it? It just doesn't quite give me the same miss on this house shot with it being quite so much friction. But where this fits with the phase 2 is going to be interesting for me. As I play around with it, I feel like the RockStar is more of a downlane motion than the phase 2, but yeah, I do feel like it's still a little cleaner than a phase 2. Back to the shiny one. Yeah, I think the shiny is going to be the play for a lot of people with this ball. If you're going to want to keep it for kind of sport conditions, out of the box, it's going to be that ball that'll give you a step across, I think. It'll be a little weaker, but a step across from, say, Ion Max. Feels like it'll get through the front part of the lane and continue a bit better than the Max, but it'll give you that symmetrical option, a really strong cover. Let's see if we can spin this dull one a little bit. Embrace my inner Chris Prather on that one. So I think, like I say, I think it's an interesting addition to the arsenal. I'm excited to see another solid symmetrical. For me, Optimum Idol didn't really float my boat. I like the shape of this one a little bit better. I like that it gives me a bit more down the lane. I felt like for me, Optimum Idol was just a little bit too smooth, too often. Looked much better for really high rev rate guys. So far, so good. This one is available at the end of February. I will put all of the dates right here. Thanks for watching. Check out beefandbarnsley.com. We've got some new merch over there. This is another Cool Wick collection, so check that out using discount code BEEFSTEW10 for 10% off. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye now.